Good morning, JR with citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. We are on a job here in Suwanee, Georgia today. It's a repeat customer. As you can see from the stairs here, we've got some spots we've got to deal with. This is a 6-area job, so it's about 240. There are 4 bedrooms, stairs, and a hallway. These other rooms are in pretty good shape. This is a secondary bedroom. As you can see, we asked that everything that the homeowner would like up off the floor, have that picked up before we get there so we can have access to the carpet, clean all the accessible carpet. No charge for spots or heavily soiled areas like you'll find with most carpet cleaners. Also, no soapy, sticky residue because our product is not soapy, not foamy, so it does not leave a soaky, sticky residue like you'll find with most carpet cleaners. Several little pea stains and, pea spots. We don't like to use the word stain because stain implies it's permanent. There's a little trail right there. Looks like the dog was walking and peeing at the same time. But we don't like to imply there's spots because spots come out, stains don't. Alright, as you can see, it's about 10 o'clock. We just finished up with this 9 o'clock job. So it's a total 240 plus the app tax of 2160, so it's 261 and change. Not a whole lot to see on the final walk through here. As you can see, all of our spots on the stairs came out and the landing. Again, this is a low moisture process, no per spot fees, no upsells, hidden charges of any kind. We pay what you are quoted, or you are charged what you're quoted, or your carpet cleaning is free. We also offer forever pricing, which means as long as you have us out to your home to clean carpets at least once a year. Many of you don't know that carpet should be cleaned twice a year. So we ask that you have your carpets cleaned minimum once a year, then you qualify for our forever pricing, which means you pay the same price forever. So you can reach us at 770-652-0630. Great for pets, etc., etc.